Let's take a look at this week's top files. It's that time of year again, and if you procrastinated and have to resort to gift cards for your Christmas gifts, at least make them earn it. This gift card holder contains a built in puzzle that must be solved before the recipient can receive the prize. Spice up your stocking stuffer or gift with this fun print. Next, we have a really cool 3D printed bonsai tree. I'm not exactly sure how the designer modeled this, but it looks like the gyroid infill pattern shaped into a tree. But regardless, it looks really cool. I'm a huge fan of the tree to the left, but this is a really cool little piece for a dollhouse, decoration, or even a little gift. I have no idea why I find these Dwayne The Rock Johnson models so funny. Really, I don't know. But this one got me. It's Gary, the snail from SpongeBob SquarePants, morphed with The Rock. It makes Garok. You can print this without supports and add this to your Dwayne Johnson collection. This 3D printed Robin puzzle looks pretty cool and allows you to choose your own filament color to make some really cool color combinations. Although, I'm gonna be honest, this color palette actually looks really good to me. No supports are needed and it's free on Thingiverse. This is great for a decoration, desk trinket, or even something to put in your Christmas tree or birdhouse outside. So, this hanging cat ornament is pretty dope. I know it's marketed as a Christmas tree ornament, but you can use it wherever, at least after Christmas. His little legs and tail freely move, so it's great to put on a ledge, tree, or just hang it off a nail on the wall. It's print in place and costs $1.50 on Colts 3D. Finally, we have a Mickey Mouse key holder or wall hook. We know 3D prints have durability and are pretty strong, so a modest coat, keys, and plenty of other things can hang on there without being an issue. You can pick your color, and if your kid has a Disney themed room or just loves the little mouse, this is a great option. All of the file destinations can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching and happy printing.